8 profound life lessons that make one wish they had known them earlier. Understanding these 8 things is more valuable than reading 8 books. A student asked an elderly teacher, "Is there anything strange about this?" He replied, "When they were young, they wanted to grow up quickly, but later lamented the loss of their childhood. They used their health to earn money, and soon after, they wanted to use that money to regain their health. They are constantly worried about the future, but do not live in the present. They also do not live for the future as if they will never die. When they are close to death, they seem to have never truly lived." We all share a common affliction: regret. Most people regret what they have not done, then regret what they have done or what they have never dared to pursue. People often regret the opportunities they had but did not seize, the words they left unsaid, or the dreams they never dared to chase. However, no matter how advanced society becomes, an antidote to regret has yet to be discovered. Every step we take in life comes with its own price. You may regret, but be cautious to take charge of your destiny and live a good life. According to surveys, young people only have 7 opportunities to decide the direction of their lives, with each opportunity spaced 7 years apart, starting around the age of 25. After the age of 75, there will never be another opportunity. The 7 opportunities may span 50 years, but the first one is not easy to grasp because we are still too young at that time. The last one does not necessarily have to be the last due to old age. Therefore, only 5 opportunities remain. Among these, 2 opportunities may be missed due to carelessness or indecision and fear. In reality, only 3 opportunities remain, so make sure to seize your opportunities. Time waits for no one, and opportunities do not return. While you are sleeping, others are racing towards their dreams, yearning for a better life. You are young, so you will have plenty of time to overcome challenges. If you keep postponing to chase after temporary pleasures and forget the future, your youth will swiftly pass without leaving any achievements. A few years later, you will still be like the person you are today, but will have aged considerably. Remember that opportunities, though few, still exist and are only available to those who are well prepared. If you accidentally lose 100,000, you might spend 200,000 to recover that 100,000. Like a silly question, many similar situations keep recurring in life. Someone's harsh words may make you feel upset or angry, but these actions can drain your emotions and finances. Everything may be irretrievable, yet you still feel sad for a long time. Many people tend to act more on emotion than on reason. If you act based on feelings, you can easily lead yourself into a dead end. A drop of ink falling into a glass of clean water will render the water undrinkable. But if that drop falls into the ocean remains a deep blue. This illustrates the difference in value As rice matures, it bows its head. This is because their values are not the same. As a person, you should be generous and forgiving towards others. Do not lose yourself over trivial matters or unworthy people. Living humbly is key to enhancing your self-worth. Use your spirit like the ocean to be forgiving towards others and adopt the humility of ripe rice for yourself. The teacher asked, "If you want to pour water on a burning fire, what will you do?" The students had various suggestions, but the teacher said, "Why don't you pour some water out of the kettle?" Not everything in life can go smoothly. You must lose to gain. Sometimes, instead of thinking about how to earn more, you should let go of some things to live peacefully. In a temple on a high mountain, there lived an old monk and a young monk together. Every day, the old monk would teach the young monk scriptures. One day, the old monk said, "When you come into this world, you cry while others laugh. But when you leave this world, you smile while others cry. Therefore, death is neither frightening nor sorrowful. Birth, aging, sickness, and death are natural laws that cannot be changed. If we enter this world with cries, then let us leave with smiles. It is not necessary to have abundant wealth. Just live a life of contentment." One day, a dog asked a wolf, "Do you have a house and a car?" The wolf replied, "No." The dog asked again, "Do you have 3 meals a day?" The wolf answered, "No." The dog looked down on him, saying, "You are truly useless." The wolf smiled, "I have freedom, which you do not have. I am a lone wolf, and thanks to my freedom, I am happy." Everyone has their own life. No two lives are alike. Do not rush to ridicule others when you yourself are not perfect. Sometimes what you consider strong may seem insignificant to others. The old man asked the boy, "Clench your hand tightly. How does that feel?" The boy followed his instruction and replied, "A bit tired." The old man said, "Try clenching it even tighter. It will become even more tiring." The boy realized, "Maybe I should let go." The child exhaled a long breath. "That feels much better." The story imparts a simple principle. Many people know it, but few can practice it. That is learning to let go. Thank you for taking the time to read this. Please leave a comment below so we can interact and learn from each other. Your contributions will help me improve continuously. If you find this writing valuable, please share it with your loved ones and friends to spread these beautiful values. See you again in the next videos.